Hi there, friends. So a little while ago, I got gifted these cutesy little nails from Rainy Roses to try. So that's what we're going to do today. Okay, so I've sized my nails, I have buffed my nails, and I've buffed my nails. So let's stick them on. Do I have to like pop it or something? Oh. Hello! It's gonna come shooting out here in a minute. Having some malfunctioning happening here. It's not coming out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to 20 seconds and voila. Voila. One hair down. Okay, I'm all done. I haven't used stick-ons for a while, so like a really long time. So they're a little bit dodgy and we got some glue everywhere, but look at them. Look at my nails. Aren't they super pretty? Sorry, you can't see, but they're giving like Bridgerton vibes, I feel. Those two are probably the worst. I did not do those ones very well. However, and now we'll just see how long they last. I'm not all that gentle when it comes to my hands. I'm doing projects and I live on a farm and I have kids. So we're definitely going to be putting them to the test. Come back for the review soon. Don't forget to hit some buttons to follow along. And we'll see you soon. Bye, lovelies.